yeah. Under the African moonlight, tonight feels different. Oh, stars shining over the coastline, your eyes glowing like the sunrise. Slow dance under the palm trees. Your love brings me sweet memories. The breeze carries your perfume, filling every corner of the room. No need for words tonight. Your energy feels so right. And when the moon comes alive, I see the fire in your eyes. No distance, no disguise, just you and I tonight. African moonlight, holding you so tight, dancing till the morning light. Everything feels right. African moonlight, hearts beating all night, lost inside your paradise. Under the African moonlight, champagne dims an ocean wave. Every moment I want to say, the rhythm moves through our souls like a story already told. No worries, no fear, when your voice is in my ear. Time stops when you're around. You're my favorite sound. And when the moon comes alive, I see the fire in your eyes. No distance, no disguise, just you and I tonight. African moonlight, holding you so tight, dancing till the morning light. Everything feels right. African moonlight, hearts beating all night, lost inside your paradise. Under the African light, from Lagos to Zanzibar, no matter where we are, your love is my guiding star. The reason I came this far. The world can keep on turning, but my heart keeps returning to the magic that we find when your hand is holding mine. African moonlight.